Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, check if your AC compressor clutch is engaging when you turn on the system. Listen for a distinct click. Next, locate and inspect the AC fuse and relay in your fuse box. A blown fuse or faulty relay can prevent power from reaching the compressor. Finally, visually check the refrigerant lines for any obvious leaks or low pressure, which might indicate a need for a recharge. If initial checks don't resolve the issue, delve deeper into common problems. Listen for any strange noises coming from the compressor, which could signal internal damage. Inspect the condenser, located at the front of your vehicle, for any debris or damage that might restrict airflow. Also, test the AC pressure switches. A faulty switch can prevent the system from operating correctly, even with adequate refrigerant. For more complex problems, advanced diagnostics are necessary. Use a manifold gauge set to accurately measure the high and low side pressures of your AC system. If a leak is suspected, introduce UV dye into the refrigerant and use a UV light to pinpoint the exact location of the leak. Replacing a faulty expansion valve or orifice tube can also resolve issues with refrigerant flow and cooling performance. Maintaining your AC system is crucial for long-term performance. Regularly replace your cabin air filter to ensure good airflow and prevent odors. It's typically found behind the glove box. Also, consider having your AC system professionally serviced every 2 years to check for leaks and proper refrigerant levels. And speaking of staying cool, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.